In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Crypto.com Exchange. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to start using Crypto.com Exchange. So this is a platform designed for more advanced cryptocurrency trading than the simpler Crypto.com app. So the Crypto.com app and Crypto.com Exchange are distinct things. It offers a wider range of trading pairs, lower fees, and more sophisticated order types. So I'm going to give you a general introduction into this, but I'm not going to go super in depth. To start using Crypto.com Exchange, go over to crypto.com/exchange, scroll down and choose the option to get started. If you already have a Crypto.com account, you can simply log in, but if you don't, you will need to sign up and confirm information like your phone number. Once you are inside of Crypto.com Exchange, you will have a menu similar to this one. At the left, you will have the main options, so the dashboard, your wallet, staking, and so on. You can choose any of these, and then you can use the buttons at the top to access the markets, trade, and so on. At the right side of any currency that you have, you will see the options to trade, deposit, and withdraw. And if you go over to your wallet page and you switch to your crypto balances, you will be able to start depositing it as well. So you can use the search function to look for a specific one and then choose the option to deposit crypto. If you choose the option to deposit crypto, you will be given the standard QR code and wallet address, and you can use this information to go into other exchange wallets to transfer crypto. I assume most people know how to easily get this done. You will find additional options when you go to staking, and you will be able to select which asset you want to stake. You have trading options at the top, and all of this will be available when you go to crypto.com/exchange. I hope I was able to help you on how to use crypto.com/exchange. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.